Hello guys, welcome to NXPTO new video, and in this video I'm going to give an update on the price of Bitcoin. Today is Monday. We have another Bitcoin weekly candle close, and as we can see, Bitcoin was able to close another week above our 59,000 level. 59,000 level. Last week we had a more positive move to the upside, where the week was able to close considerable higher, and we mentioned that Bitcoin needed to push above this level, the 64,000 level, in order for the RSI on the ratio and the DXY Bitcoin ratio to return below the 30 level. So we are having basically a correction very close, or retesting very close to our 59,000 level, which is not ideal, but what can explain this is that we can see the ratio, the RSI of the ratio never returned below the 30 level like it should be. So with the RSI, in order for the RSI to return below the 30 level toward our 1862 level, it would be considered a bullish move. It didn't happen. Bitcoin didn't push above the 64,000 level, and for that reason we can see that the RSI is still above the 30 level, according to 35, and is going to retest this downward trend line where we call by the deep level. So this explains why our 59,000 is so important. So as we are very close to our 59,000 level, and the RSI is about to retest this downward trend line, there's only two scenarios that can happen. Holding this week and bouncing from our 59,000 level one more time with a bullish move that will take the RSI below the 30 level again, or decisive break of the 59,000 level to the downside, which would make the RSI break this downward trend line to the upside and probably toward the 50 level, which would be considered a bearish move. So with this explanation, we can now look at the DXY. We can see the DXY is still consolidating. We can see that the middle of this channel worked really well as a rejection for the DXY, and I think this move is just the DXY is kind of waiting for the right moment to make a decision to break to the downside or to the upside, similar to Bitcoin in this case, and we can see why. Last week we compared this candle with this candle and with this candle. We noticed, as you can see, the week followed this candle was a bullish, a decisive move. A decisive move meaning that a big push to the upside, which was really bullish, and Bitcoin was able to continue to push higher. Although in this case, it moved sideways and then higher. In this move, we know that the week closed, the following weeks, we had, after this week, we had 3 weeks in the green, pushing decisively to the upside, which was bullish, and Bitcoin continued to push higher. For this candle, we can see that Bitcoin wasn't able to push higher, because we say that, in order for the other side on the ratio to move below the 30 level, Bitcoin had to push above the 64,000 level. Above this candle should have pushed above and to test this area, but it didn't, and we can see that it's actually closed bearish in this case. But the only good thing is it's still protecting our 59,000 level, and the other side on the ratio is actually just waiting for the moment to make a decision. So we can see what's going on at the moment. We can consider Bitcoin to be consolidating above our 59,000 level, waiting for a decisive move to the upside or to the downside, when we know that a breakthrough below the 59,000 level would be a bearish move for Bitcoin. For Bitcoin dominance, we can see that the dominance is still above the 53.94 after breaking this level to the upside and getting rejected at the middle of this channel. Now it seems that it's just consolidating and holding this level after Bitcoin found resistance at the middle of our channel. So basically, this is where we found resistance at the middle of the channel, and now we are waiting for the decisive move to see if Bitcoin is going to be able to continue to push higher or break the downside and lose some dominance. In this case, if Bitcoin breaks the 59,000 level and lose the 53% area, in this case, that would be a very strong market reversal. And the same way we can see Bitcoin dominance was able to find resistance at the middle of this channel. You can see a big resistance level, or break the downside, where the other side followed and confirmed. So Bitcoin below the 59,000 level, rejecting this Fibonacci level, and the other side below the 50, that would mean a big shift on the Bitcoin dominance. That's the update for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would advise everyone to keep a look at the 59,000 level. We've been saying that, and at least we know that this is an area we don't want to play with. 59,000 level is the level that worked as resistance on the previous bull market. You can see where we double top. It was around our 59,000 level, and now we are trying to sustain or trying to hold this level as support. And if we don't, it's likely that Bitcoin is going to correct the same way it did on the previous bull market with the double top formation. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next Monday. Thank you.